Contrary to the tall claim made by the government, update so far is concerned, there are 37 madrasas are unregistered in Islamabad. Rahman Malik, the Interior Minister, informed the National Assembly. He also said that the government is trying its level best to register more and more seminaries, especially in Islamabad, but it seemed to be unsuccessful yet because there are some hurdles in the ways and resistance by the different schools of thoughts, clerics in their way. There is a security threat, and Interior Ministry also called back-to-back meeting to discuss the issue with different leaders of schools of thought, especially the foreigner reportedly are especially studying in these madrasas. And as you know that police also recently raided a madrasa called Jamia Fridia, especially in the heart of Islamabad in I-8 sector, but it could not be able to successful to get any evidence that there were any illegal foreigner. But so far security is concerned, the government especially now say that it is a matter of serious concern because the Capital Development Authority and ICT both trying to collect evidences, data, and do more and more registration of the students who are studying in these madrasas.
There is a various problem the government regarding deportation of these foreigner students residing illegally in Pakistan and studying in different madrasas of Punjab, because the federal and provincial governments have not allocated any specific funds for this purpose. In different cases of terrorism, that the madrasa students particularly belonging to different foreign countries like Afghanistan, Kyrgyzstan, they have involved in incidents of terrorism directly or indirectly, and this is become a security threat for the Pakistan, because mostly of those students their visas have been expired. So it's also a biggest threat for the law enforcement agencies, and it's a very serious issue, and they have tackled this issue on emergent basis to avoid any untoward incident in future.